Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 1040X step by step. First, gather your original tax return and any supporting documents for the changes you need to make. This form is used to correct errors on a previously filed Form 1040, 1040SR, or 1040NR. We'll walk through each section, ensuring you understand how to accurately report your amended information. It's crucial to complete all relevant parts to avoid processing delays. Moving to Part I, you'll start by providing your personal identifying information. This includes your name, current address, and social security number. Make sure these details match your original return precisely. You also need to clearly mark the tax year you are amending and your filing status for that specific year. Finally, check the appropriate box to indicate which type of return, such as Form 1040, you are correcting with this amendment. Now, let's tackle the core of Form 1040X, the financial adjustments. You'll see 3 columns here. Column A is for the original amounts reported on your initial tax return. Column B is where you enter the net increase or decrease for each line item you are changing. Finally, Column C will show the corrected amounts, which are the result of adding or subtracting Column B from Column A. Be precise with your calculations. In Part III, you must provide a clear and concise explanation for each change you've made. Be specific about why you are amending your return and reference the line numbers affected. Remember to attach any new or corrected forms, like a W-2 or Schedule C, that support your adjustments. Once completed, sign and date the form, then mail it to the appropriate IRS address. Also, for those looking for quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Filing accurately helps ensure a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.